What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič. Today in this tutorial we're gonna make how to make happen spinning effect on After Effects, nice spinning effect. Let's go. So first we're gonna drop it here. So it's gonna take some time to drop it. Here you go. Now I'm gonna hold it and put it to this line, so it activates that line. And now we're gonna just spin. We need three stuff here. First is hand go up, then Ctrl Shift D to cut it, and a forward. Let's see what's happening. And then back down. That's the first one. Second is hand, and that's it. And the last tip, it's knife, only just stuff like that. Okay, so now we have all three gonna knit in between. Okay, so for knife I'm gonna put time, enable freeze frame. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. And now we have all three. First is just hand up, rotation and forward. Second is time, and that. Okay, and the first, so we have three now. See guys, it is as it is. Okay, put all of them together. So first is hand go up, shake it and go back down. Next one is that's on top, and the first one is frozen image of sound. So first one is a moment you shake hand. I'm gonna cut it, open it here, and now I'm gonna put this freezer in between. So now if you look what's happening, you go camera up, shake it, and then at the end it shake one more time. Okay, that wasn't hard. So now it's time to I'm gonna put all these four together, full start here, right here, and I'm gonna put the end of here on the end. When we right here to freeze it. Okay, now I'm gonna open mask. I'm gonna Ctrl G, and up here guys, we have this one. Okay, that was it guys, easy as it is. 2 minutes and a half left. I'm gonna go to here and put a new layer, null object. And null object only be available as long as this one. So I'm gonna hold here and track on the right side here. Track motion. I'm gonna put right here. The first is on what to track. And we can say in which area to track. So press this one. Okay, my scan's a bit more shorter, so we pass through. Okay, that's gonna be good for now. Okay, now put edit target and put there, here we go, null object. Okay, apply. Okay, and now we have this red square right here. Okay, doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna put back here in this frozen knife. I'm gonna cut it so there, and I put this into center right here, and put this right like that. And now I'm gonna go to rotation. I'm gonna put time stop and put at the end. Here we go at the end, and put rotation like 10 times. Now we'll start it, and we're gonna link it to null object. And on one, I'm gonna press this mention motion bar, and an option motion bar for this one. And that's it guys, that's it. So now for the 10 millisecond lapse to go for, you shake hand, you spin it, and catch it back. My name is Nejc Filipič, see you next time, goodbye.